Today, we open the doors of flavor to reveal a true treasure of the kitchen, Swiss chard. This green leaf, often underestimated and forgotten by some, is actually one of the most versatile and healthy vegetables you can find. Over the centuries, Swiss chard has adorned markets, tables, and recipes around the world. But do you really know its history, the wonders it brings to your health, and the delicious possibilities it holds for your palate? Join us to discover it and let yourself be tempted by the culinary art of Cantina 33, where tradition meets innovation, always with that Venezuelan touch that awakens the senses. Let's start by traveling back in time and uncovering the origin of Swiss chard. Its scientific name, Beta vulgaris, might sound more fitting for a botanical study than for the shelves of a local market, but these leaves come directly from the Mediterranean basin. Even in ancient times, the Egyptians, Greeks, and especially the Romans adored Swiss chard. They not only decorated their tables with it, but also recognized its medicinal qualities. The Romans, who knew how to enjoy a good feast, believed that Swiss chard could relieve digestive discomfort and improve vitality. Centuries passed, and during the Renaissance, European chefs and botanists began experimenting with new varieties and cultivation methods, which catapulted the popularity of Swiss chard in the gardens and kitchens of both kings and commoners alike. Today, Swiss chard has crossed borders, entering the cuisines of different cultures, including the flavorful and colorful repertoire of Venezuelan cooking. Thus, this humble vegetable has managed to earn a place in history and everyday life. Beyond its fascinating history, Swiss chard entices us with its multiple health benefits. Each leaf contains a powerful combination of nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, essential for the functioning of the immune system, eye health, blood clotting, and cell renewal. Among its most notable minerals are magnesium, essential for muscle and nerve function, and iron, crucial in preventing anemia and supporting overall daily energy. Swiss chard is also a great ally for digestion, thanks to its fiber content, which not only improves intestinal transit, but also promotes a feeling of fullness, helping to maintain a healthy weight. But there is more. The antioxidant properties of Swiss chard, mainly due to beta-carotene and flavonoids, can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by combating damage caused by free radicals. Caring for the heart, protecting the brain, maintaining strong bones, and improving skin health are just some of the positive effects of regularly incorporating Swiss chard into your diet. Now, you might be wondering, how can I take advantage of these virtues in my daily life? The key lies in creativity and the desire to experiment with new flavors and textures. Few things are as satisfying as a simple sautéed Swiss chard with garlic and extra virgin olive oil. The robust flavor of the leaf perfectly balances with the intoxicating aroma of garlic and the smoothness of the oil. For those seeking light options, a raw Swiss chard salad mixed with apple, walnuts, and a touch of lemon offers freshness and energy for any time of the day. In soups and creams, Swiss chard provides an unmistakable color and flavor, and they are ideal for filling empanadas, savory pies, or of course vegetable rolls. In Venezuelan cuisine, the versatility of Swiss chard shines brightly. You can find it as the main ingredient in hearty stews, as a complement in healthy arepas, or even blended into international dishes with that incredible Latin touch. Imagine a Swiss chard and cheese omelette, perfectly golden on the outside and soft on the inside, or arepas filled with Swiss chard, chicken, and a pinch of chili. Swiss chard is that secret ingredient that, besides adding color and flavor, elevates any dish to an everyday gourmet experience. But the best way to experience the full potential of Swiss chard is to let yourself be surprised in a place where culinary passion and love for tradition come together. Cantina 33, on Campomanes Street number 5, just a few steps from the Opera metro station in Madrid. Here, Venezuelan cuisine is experienced in a different way. Each dish is a tribute to roots and creativity, and of course, Swiss chard plays a leading role. With the premise that food is love made edible, Cantina 33 invites you to immerse yourself in a vibrant menu where Latin flavors meet the best of international cuisine. Come and discover irresistible options, from small bites to share to hearty dishes full of freshness and tradition. What better way to celebrate the history and virtues of Swiss chard than by savoring a dish that features it as the star, prepared with care and affection. Additionally, you will experience a cozy atmosphere, perfect for gatherings with friends, family, or for treating yourself alone. Don't miss visiting Cantina 33. Let us tell you, through every bite, the wonderful story of Swiss chard, its benefits, and the endless possibilities it offers in the kitchen. And if you enjoyed this journey through the world of Swiss chard, we invite you to support us with a like and subscribe to discover more ingredients, recipes, and culinary secrets from all corners of Venezuela and the world. Remember, eating well is not just about flavor, but about discovering new stories. taking care of our bodies and reconnecting with nature through food. The next time you see fresh Swiss chard at the market, think about the millennial journey it has made to reach your table and all that it can offer you. And if you prefer them cooked with skill and heart, you know where to find us. See you soon, and may the pleasure of good food always be with you.